Hey guys, this is Tom here with another unboxing video for Amcrest. And today we're looking at our most popular 2K bullet camera, the IP5M-B1186EB. This affordable Ultra HD camera features a stunning 5 megapixel resolution, featuring enhanced low light capability that utilizes the latest starlight technology. It has a super wide viewing angle of 103 degrees. The camera is equipped with a heavy-duty IP67 weatherproof housing that protects it against dust and hurricane level of wind and rain. This Ultra HD outdoor camera comes with flexible storage options including NVR, cloud, or an SD card. So why a bullet camera? Well, they're great at viewing narrow or key areas. They're at their best in high or hard to reach places. But certainly a major factor is that bullet cameras, they just kind of stick out more than others. They're very noticeable and they can serve as a great deterrent. When you choose a bullet camera, you're also making a subtle statement. You want people to see them and you want intruders to be afraid of them. For that reason, the most common places our customers tend to install these are in their front porch, watching their driveway or in cars on their street, or in the backyard keeping an eye out for intruders. By far the easiest way to view your amazing 2K footage would be by using the Amcrest View Pro app. Let's go ahead and get this camera added to our network. So I've just connected this model to a POE switch just off camera over there. And the POE switch is both giving it power and Ethernet connection to our network. So we're going to use the Amcrest View Pro app and just do a little quick setup. So after you've installed the app, go ahead and open it. And then we're going to press the button in the top right corner, and then select Add Device. And then we're going to choose POE Camera, and then P2P Setup. And that's going to ask us to scan the QR code, which is on the back of the camera here. There you go. Press Next. Give the camera a name, call it Bullet. And you'll see the username and password is both admin here, and for now we'll just leave that and press Start Live View. And then the next screen is going to ask us to change our password. And it's very important that you change it to a secure password to protect your camera. So we're just going to change it to Amcrest 4 with modify password. And there we go. There you go. Added, no problem. So if you have any questions about this model, or if you have this camera and you're having problems, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're more than happy to help you guys out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more videos like this in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.